The next question here is, why has the government in India failed to combat inflation even when a series of monetary measures are available in the textbook of macroeconomics? It's a very important question, bacha. You have to understand this question. Like it is saying that when we are having so many measures available to control the monetary supply or to control the inflation and deflation, then why Indian government is failed every time to control the situation of inflation? Why there are always a situation of inflation arises, or why there is always a problem of price rise arises in India? Clear? And the answer here is, monetary measures of controlling inflation focus largely on the lowering down the demand for goods and services. Clear? Yes, whatever the monetary instruments we have done in the credit control policy, I have told you that if you're gonna increase the repo rate, it will lower down the purchasing power of the people and the demand of goods and services will be lower down. Clear? So it is saying that if all the monetary measures to control inflation, they focus largely on lowering down the demand for goods and services by making the availability of loan or credit more costly. Clear? If the loan taking or credit taking is costlier, then nobody will take loan and their demand for goods or commodities will come down. Clear? But it does not address the supply side problem. Supply side problem means the producer's problem. Clear? While the fact of the matter is that in India inflation arises often been triggered by the low market supplies. Whatever the situations arises in India, it is not due to more demand, it is due to lack of demand here. Clear? Unless supplies are boosted, means particularly the supply of farm outputs, means if agricultural and vegetables products we are talking about, if their supplies is not boosted, then this problem of inflation will continue to exist. Clear? Means what this answer is going to say, that inflation in India is not a problem based on the demand increase, it is a problem based on the lack of supplies. Clear? Unless those supplies are not boosted into India, till the situation of inflation cannot be controlled. Clear? And these monetary measures which we have studied, they all focus on lowering down the purchasing power, they are not focusing on the supply side problem. Clear? So this is a very important question which is giving you a high order thinking ability, that why instead of all these measures the government cannot control inflation situation. The reason is because we are only focusing on the demand side, we are not focusing on the supply side. Clear? The inflation in India arises only because supply is less. So unless that supply is not increased, the situation of inflation will continue to exist.